For the indoor unit piping direction, there are 3 optional modes. They are: Mode 1, from left, while the fresh air pipe, the refrigerant piping, the drainage pipe, and connecting cables all through one hole to the outside. Mode 2, from right, the fresh air pipe, the refrigerant piping, the drainage pipe, and connecting cables all through one hole to the outside. Mode 3, from unit back, the fresh air pipe, the refrigerant piping, the drainage pipe, and connecting cables go through 2 side-by-side wall holes. For the fresh air AC, you need drill the wall hole with 70 mm core drill, and with small oblique angle lower than the indoor and about 5 to 10 mm. Normally, for Mode 1 and Mode 2, select the location of wall hole base on the following size. Mode 1, pipes from unit left side. You need to measure the distance between the left bottom corner of the mounting plate and the center of the wall hole. The length of the fresh air pipe assembly is equal to the measured length plus 650 mm. Mode 2, pipes from unit right side. Measure the distance between the right bottom corner of the mounting plate and the center of the wall hole. The length of the fresh air pipe assembly is equal to the measured length. Please make sure the length more than 700 mm. For Mode 3, please follow the reference size for mounting plate and hole to determine location. The length of the fresh air pipe assembly is 310 mm and the exposed length of the fresh air pipe is 50 mm. Normally, installer needs to adjust the length of fresh air pipe assembly according to the installation site. If the fresh air pipe too long, he needs to cut the fresh air pipe to the appropriate length, keeping the section with the through wall pipe. If the fresh air pipe length is not enough, installer needs to use the extension joint to connect the appropriate length of fresh air pipe to the air pipe assembly, to be sure the interface is in the middle of the extension joint. And finally, wrap the connection position with tape.